Hello, everybody. Luke Newton here, CEO of Locked On, and wow, have we got a great new addition to our CMA tool. For the autumn sending, we now have the ability for you all to update this tool with your market update YouTube video. This will allow you or your office to create a very visual piece that will sit inside the CMA. And when the client opens it, they'll have the ability to hit play and watch your market update video. So, step one is start thinking of the scripts and dialogues for your market update video to go out with your autumn CMA. You'll need to record that, post it on your YouTube channel, and then you'll be able to link it to your agent profile. Basically, an office will have two options to this. You could shoot one that will be used for all agents, or each agent can shoot their own CMA market update for their clients only. Once you have shot the video and you have it uploaded to your YouTube channel, let's see how you add it into Locked On so that it will show on every CMA you send. When you click into your name at the top right, you will go into the My Details, go into your agent bio, and you'll be able to see the video links here. You'll click the Add URL, you will select the CMA profile tag, and you will paste in your YouTube video with the full YouTube URL. So make sure it's youtube.com/watch and then the ID number. Once you have this against your profile, every CMA report that you send in the autumn CMA will have your market update video attached to it. We look forward again to some huge results like we got with our summer CMA send. So let's get these videos done and let's get them out over the next coming weeks. All the best.